Hey girlfriends! Isn't this pony super adorable? I am in love with it, and I really wanted to play around with this color to see how different styles would look on me. So I went to my local beauty supply and I purchased this cute pony from Timeless Pineapple Ponytail. It's similar to the last one I had, but it has a different color and a different curl. The curl is more like the Curlfriends curl. So I just wanted to check it out and see how it looked, and it's in size small. So this is me unpacking it, and there's the combs. It has 3 combs, 2 right there, 1 at the top and 1 at the bottom. They both clip, and it has 1 on the inside, like a little pocket, and it has a drawstring. So you're gonna need your gel. I use the Eco Styler Black Castor Oil Gel, and you wanna slick up your hair as much as possible. I'm just pulling out, you know what we do. We ain't even gotta go into detail of that. But yeah, it just keeps slicking up your hair. You wanna really focus on the back if you have a short haircut like me, and just brush it up as slick as possible. So I use the Ouchless goodie bands around my little bunny tail, and so they won't break off my hair. And somewhere along the way, I forgot that my hair is only like an inch long in the back, so slicking it up was a little bit of a task. So I added some bobby pins to keep it where it needs to be, and I pulled out a little bit of hair at the bottom that just refused to do what I needed it to do, so we made it work. And on goes the ponytail. I'm just loosening up the drawstring, and I'm clipping it on in the front and in the back. Like I said, it snaps shut for security. You pull the drawstring close and you tuck it under, and eventually I'm gonna hide it with a bobby pin so you won't see it at all. And you see those curls? Like, they're so perfect. Too perfect, right? Way too perfect. So I'm separating the curls to give it a more natural look, and just to make it fluffy, to make it blend in better with what our puffs would look like if we did like a rod set or something similar. This little ponytail puff is super cute. If you've seen it in your local beauty supply, I would suggest buying it. I think I paid like $7 for it. It's worth a buy. It comes out really cute. You know, you just pick it, make it, pull it apart, and just make it your own. And you can get it in a variety of colors. But yeah, like, if you have been thinking about getting this, I really think that you would be pleased. Very pleased. So this one is the Timeless Pineapple Ponytail in the size small, and the color is 2T1B/BU. And I would never remember that, but yeah, it's a reddish color, and it's a little off from my hair, but it's close enough. So let me know what you all think. Do you like this? Do you have it at home? Have you had any issues with it? At the time of this recording, I've had it for about 4 days, and I still have it on, so it's serving as a protective style for me. But let me know what you all think. Please like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. See you in my next video.